Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So we've got this laptop the customer brought in saying it's not booting. We can see all the files, which is fine. Recycle bin on C. Right, okay, let's just right, okay. So we're going to say no. What I'm going to do is we're going to run a check disk. So /F/R. Right. Okay, we have a lot of corrupted files here. Right, so we're going to let that go through and we'll come back when it's finished doing it. Right, so we're back. It's now doing this. As you can see, this was well corrupted. Very corrupted this was. I don't think I've seen one this bad in ages, maybe forever. This will probably turn out to be a factory reset as long as I can get the customer data off. But yeah, so let's leave it to do that and we'll be back shortly. Right, so as you can see, this is still going on. It's now been an hour, as you can see here, since we started, but it seems to have fixed all this. Now, one thing that did strike me as it was going through this, and I was like, damn, I should have tried that first. It somehow might have switched to trying to boot into legacy mode, hence the reason that this is doing this. So what we'll do is, once it's finished this, we'll have a look in the BIOS and see about seeing if it is on booting legacy mode and not in UEFI mode. So we'll come back to that after it's finished. Right, actually that bit finished pretty quickly. So as you can see here, it says that it's corrected errors in the master file table and in the volume bitmap. So what we're going to do now is we're going to close this and see if we can let's see. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart it and I'm going to see if we can get into the BIOS. Now, as this is a Lenovo, so it's got a what's name button. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to shut it down, and then we're going to get it into use the Novo button to start it. Right, so I'm just pressing the Lenovo button. It's a little hole, and that should give us a menu. Right, so we're going to go into BIOS setup and configuration. Right, okay. So we're going to change that to UEFI. Right. Exit save changes. Right, let's see if this will get it to boot now. It's actually booting from my stick. Let's see if I can bring it round. And yeah. Yeah, right. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take that out, and then we're going to restart it again. Right. So let's now see if it. Okay. No, this is. This is well corrupted. So I think what we're going to have to do is we're just going to have to back up the customer's files and do a repair install. So we'll come back in a minute. Right, so we've we've done the backup, and I've created a Lenovo recovery drive. So now we're going to have to do the factory reset. So choose United Kingdom, and next. So that's their terms and conditions, so we're going to accept that, or you can't continue. Now you can make these recovery drives by going to Lenovo's website and putting in your serial number, and it will then give you a set of instructions on how to make the recovery drive for your specific machine. So we've got Right, so as you can see, it's saying the system is being installed, which may take a few hours. Please be patient. So we're going to pause this for now and we'll be back shortly. So it's now gone through and it's setting up. I decided on doing a factory reset because trying to repair something that damaged probably wouldn't have worked. I could have used all the repair options and that, but it was just so badly corrupted. It was just better to bite the bullet and do a factory reset. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to see further videos of ours. Feel free to comment below and tell me if you've had this problem before. Right, so we're now on this section here. It's gone through after a couple of restarts. So we're going to continue now. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep a lookout for more of our videos. Keyboard United Kingdom. Let's skip that. And click I don't have internet for now. And continue with limited setup. Right, so I'm going to put in the username. I'm not going to set a password at this stage. Now I always choose the bottom options for these. Except Cortana. And skip. So the reload took about an hour from using the USB that I created. It probably wouldn't have worked if I tried to do it from the hard drive, from the recovery partitions already on there, because they would possibly corrupt too. So I just made a recovery drive. And here we are. Let's get this sorted. Right. So now I'm going to put it onto my customer Wi-Fi. I'm going to say no to that. Right, so let's see what version this came with. And it's, oh, not too bad, it's 20H2 now, the version, so we're going to have to get it updated. So we'll do that, and then we'll come back. I'm going to turn these on as well. Right, see you soon. Right, so we're now on the final bit. It's just to install the software, like Chrome and that, and finish off with all the updates, which I'll get on with. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Please click like and subscribe, and watch out for our future upcoming videos. Take care. Be good to each other. Bye.